this series of videos, we're going to talk about manufacturing only instead of, jumping right into ODOO as I always tell you, no chit-chat and that type of stuff. Today, we'll first learn a bit about how manufacturing actually works. Now, I'm going to explain the usual. Way product is sourced, it is created and delivered, along with how each. You're very hyped hype man for MARP now. Manufacturing orders or AMOs or MOEs are internal documents that authorize production at a company that produces. Now let's get cracking at manufacturing. Alright, as you can tell, I'm really excited to show you all of. As you might have guessed it, I'm wearing my thinking cap. This isn't my chef's hat. This is a thinking cap. Now we've been operations, but we need to talk about. I'm here to greet you, my hardworking manufacturers. Now, let's talk more about work centers. I can't shut up about them. Now, the planned production time for a work order is based on the duration that. Welcome back now. Today we're going to learn the most basic method of manufacturing in one step. Not 2 or 3 or however many steps. You might have. Focusing on building products, but today we're going to do some planning, and we're also going to briefly touch on some big business bro words like procurement. Now, today we'll be taking a look at how we can use product variants to spice up. Hi, my dear ODOOers. Today, I'll tell you about something that has changed ugly. What's life? The master production. Hi everyone and welcome back in Stealthy Woods manufacturing process. There's an element we shouldn't overlook: the overall equipment effectiveness. Hi my dear doers, since we're getting used to the manufacturing process, I would like to enhance the flow of information within Stealthy Wood after. Hi everyone, and nice to see you again, as we're specialized in high-end products. Quality is essential to stay ahead of our competitors. Maintenance well is essential to keep your company efficient at Stealthy Wood. We see it as our machinery's healthcare plan healthcare that helps reduce. Hello doers. Now, sometimes producing a product leads to the creation of others. Products as part of the manufacturing byproducts, and they. Welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing how to use the standard price costing method. This video is part 3 of my. Today we're going to be talking about efficiency, not deficiency. Efficiency now. In Stealthy Woods manufacturing process. Today we're going to be talking about efficiency, not deficiency. Efficiency now. In Stealthy Woods manufacturing process, there is a key element we shouldn't. Effectiveness also. Welcome back. I'm here at Stealthy Wood. Our business is expanding, especially in the morning. Now our manufacturers are procurement. Welcome back, ODOOers. In our last lesson, we took a look at all the bells and whistles of the brand new shop floor module. Now today, we're going to put that lesson into practice. How you missed you, and I bet you missed shop floor even more. In that case, I've got some good news for you. I'm back today for more shop.